Hello, my name is Susan Sullivan. I'm a registered nurse and director of operations for the Williams Center. And we try to share information to all of our girlfriends out there with patients who are willing to share their experience so that it will help you to have an idea or a better outcome of the experience of having a procedure done here at the Williams Center. So I'm here with one of Dr. Polynice's patients, and thank you so much for willing to share your experience with us. And we've never met before.
Nope.
This is the first time that I'm meeting you. So I'm going to just ask you some questions in the procedure that you had done. But before we start, how long was it that you were thinking about having a procedure done? Was it something that bothered you?
Yeah, oh, sure. After probably my third child was born. That was 12 years ago.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
And so you came to Dr. Polynice for an abdominoplasty?
Yes. I got serious about it in July.
Yeah. And so tell me, how did you hear about Dr. Polynice? Because he's sort of new to the area. He joined us about 3 years ago. He came up from Manhattan. So how did you hear about him?
A woman that I worked with, we're in healthcare as well, so we like to do our homework. She's a registered nurse as well. She went and looked for one of the best groups around, and this was the group that was chosen. She made an appointment with Dr. Polynice, and she had the procedure done really fast. And I watched her results all along, and I was amazed. And that's when I was like, I have to do this.
You know, we hear that all the time from our patients. You know, Dr. Polynice just doesn't do abdominal surgery. He really sculpts the body.
Oh, yeah.
He takes the time, and this is what we hear from our patients. So it's wonderful to hear that you were able to enjoy that result yourself.
Oh, I just watched her, and I just knew that I had to have this done.
So you had it done here in our surgery center that's located on the first floor, and what did you think of the staff there?
Fabulous staff. I mean, they were really, I felt like I was the only person that they cared about, you know. It was all about me. From the moment I walked in the door till actually the moment I walked out. I mean, they were just perfect. And then you guys call, you follow up. I mean, I really, really love this place.
Yeah.
I really do.
Well, thank you. We try to focus on the patients and make you our real priority of the day when you're here.
It shows.
Whenever you're here. So, tell me, we do offer a pain pump. I don't know if you...
I did have the pain pump, and I highly recommend that for such a nominal fee when you think about what you're already spending to have something done. I mean, I still had no pain whatsoever.
Wow.
No pain. No pain.
Did you take any narcotics?
I took that Percocet that they prescribed for a couple of days, but it's not for me. So no, I mean, literally had no pain whatsoever.
In the pain pump, most of the time we find that our patients are able to take less narcotic, you know, because the pain pump helps to alleviate the rest of the discomfort.
I really didn't need it.
Yeah. We actually have our recovery room nurse has said that she would love to do a video. I haven't gotten to do it with her yet, but she says that you can't compare the patients in recovery, those that have the pain pump versus those that don't have the pain pump, and how much easier they move right after surgery. She says it's really, really amazing, and she highly recommends it.
I was up 5 minutes after the procedure. I went to the ladies' room, and I was home an hour and a half later in my own bed where I was comfortable, having my husband take care of me.
Yeah, great.
So I really, if you're really thinking about this, you're crazy not to do it, and this is the place to have it done at. Trust me.
Well, we really appreciate you sharing it, because we as girlfriends have to take care of each other and share the information, and if we don't, how do people know?
That's right.
So I want to thank you so much for doing this.
Absolutely. I'm proud to say that I visited Dr. Polynice, and he's given me this just amazing body that I'm so happy about.
Oh, well, that's great. We're happy for you.